Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to master Otter AI in 2026. If you want to get the most out of Otter AI for meetings, note-taking, transcription, and productivity, this guide will walk you through the essential features step by step. First, sign into your Otter AI account and take a few minutes to explore the dashboard. This is where you'll find your conversations, recordings, transcripts, and account settings all in one place. Next, learn to record meetings and conversations using the record feature. Otter AI automatically creates live transcripts, allowing you to focus on the discussion instead of taking manual notes. Now upload audio or video files using the import option. Otter AI will transcribe your recordings, making them searchable and easy to review whenever you need them. Next, edit your transcripts, correct speaker names, and highlight important sections. Keeping your transcripts accurate makes them much more useful later. Use the AI-generated summaries to quickly review long meetings, and take advantage of the search feature to instantly find keywords, topics, or action items without reading the entire transcript. If you work with others, share your notes and transcripts with teammates so everyone can stay informed and collaborate more efficiently. Finally, organize your conversations by giving them clear names and reviewing them regularly. Building these habits will help you save time and get the most value from Otter AI every day. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to master Otter AI step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.